The team that I've been able to surround myself with here is very exciting and very humbling. From world-class experts that previously were employed with Google and Intel, to some of our new hires that are really just helping us take the technology to the next level.
And to be able to get the talent at our stage is, incredible, because it just validates what we've done so far.
I'm really excited that we come from different backgrounds. I'm a medical doctor. We have people who know how to program, and they come from that vantage point. We have technologists and nurses and people with different expertise that come together to make the product that you know of as Avery.
We are not just team members and colleagues, we are also close friends. I like to think that we are a small family of our own. So now I have two families, one at home and one here at work.
They are all so passionate about what Avery is going to do, and that you can't fake. And it's just contagious here, with everyone having that same focus of knowing that we are going to implement something that changes healthcare for the better.
I really feel like we're assembling an all-star lineup of folks with industry experience, with technology experience, with experience growing companies. Sky's the limit.